Want to learn the basics of Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows? In this guide, I'll walk you through the main features, show you how to open and navigate PDFs, and introduce the most useful tools you'll use every day. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Acrobat Reader from the Windows Start menu, desktop shortcut, or taskbar if you've pinned it there. Once it launches, you'll see the home screen where you can access recent files and other options. To open a document, click Open File, browse to your PDF, and select it. You can also click a PDF in File Explorer if Adobe Acrobat Reader is your default PDF viewer. Use the scroll wheel or the page navigation controls to move through the document. You can also zoom in and out using the toolbar to make text and images easier to read. Adobe Acrobat Reader includes several useful tools. You can search for text, print documents, highlight important information, add comments, fill out forms, and sign PDFs, depending on the document's permissions. If you've added comments or completed a form, click Save to keep your changes. So you can also use the Share option to send the PDF by email or generate a sharing link, depending on your version of Acrobat Reader. Take a few minutes to explore the menus and toolbar. Features like Read Aloud, page rotation, document properties, and accessibility tools can make working with PDFs even easier. And that's the basics of using Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows. Once you're familiar with the interface, you'll be able to read, review, print, sign, and manage PDF documents with confidence. If this tutorial helped, leave a like, subscribe for more software guides, and thanks for watching.